Hello friends, welcome to day 1 of 30-day English speaking challenge series. The purpose of making this series is I do not have any English speaking partner around me because I belong to a small village of Jharkhand. So if you do not have any English speaking partner around me, then please join me. I will be your English speaking partner from today onwards. Okay. But before that, I want to tell you how will we practice in upcoming days. Okay. So firstly, I will speak on any particular topic. Okay. And then after that, I will give you the key points what I personally follow when I speak. And after that, you can just by following those key points, you can speak by pausing the video, or I will stay silent for 30 seconds so that you can practice with me. That's how we both will become a great friends. Okay, let me tell you about myself, and after that I'll give you opportunity so that you can also tell about yourself. So hi, my name is Azit and I am from Jharkhand. I have completed my graduation and currently I am a full-time YouTuber, and I really love recording videos so that I can get benefited from the audience opinions, and I can improve myself a little every day. So I followed four structure. Firstly, I followed about my, you can say, your name first, and then your location where you belong to. Then I talked about my education background, so you can also say about your educational background, what you have done and what you are currently doing. After that, you can talk about your hobbies and interest. If you really like listening music, recording videos, if you love playing cricket matches and etc., then you can add on that. Did you get the approach? So now you have key points. I am going to be silent for 30 seconds, and in that 30 second you just go on a speaking, okay, using that key points what I shared with you. So time starts now. I think we have completed, right? So this is how we will practice every day. I will give you the key points, what I followed, the structure, so that I speak fluently and confidently. After that, you can practice after me. Okay. So that's how we will improve, my friend. Okay. So from today onwards, we are friends. So if you really want, then you can subscribe to my channel, and the video duration will be less than 6 minutes every day, so that it would be very easy to practice. Okay, every day one tip, and in 30 days you and me will be a fluent English speaker. So as you can observe, I haven't cut any part of the video. Wherever I made any mistakes, it's okay, because as we mentioned earlier, like nobody will judge each other. Okay, we are friends and we will grow together. So thank you my friends. Bye bye, take care of yourself.